Hi, it's Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat tuna salad without using mayonnaise. This is an amazing, fun tuna salad because we have just one can of tuna and we're going to extend the tuna with all kinds of vegetables and fruit and yummy stuff, and then we're going to top it with an amazing dressing that has no fat in it because it's simply mustard and yogurt and lime and a little seasoning, and then we're going to put it in a collard leaf and wrap that. So you don't always have to have a sandwich that includes bread. So this is a great way to get in a fabulous meal. Now we're adding the carrots, celery, apples, and raisins. We're going to mix it all together. So now we're going to mix our dressing. And you're just going to take whatever standard mustard you have in your refrigerator. Take about a tablespoon. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of plain 0% fat Greek yogurt. I'm going to squeeze half of a fresh lime. And now I have some already mixed up Fiesta lime seasoning blend. I'm going to stick that in there. Perfect. And you can see this dressing is kind of like a mayonnaise consistency. So it's going to really stick together nicely on the salad. It's a perfect consistency for a tuna salad. Look at that. Awesome. So now we're going to take our leaf and we're going to treat this just like we would a regular piece of wrapped bread. Just going to stick this right in the middle. This is enough to serve up a nice little party. And we're going to take our ends, stick them in, and we're just going to wrap. I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com, and here's your low-fat tuna. Ciao for now, while I go chow on this.